dum 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 dum. Since you better work it out, work it out, work it out, work. Since you better work it out, hey, work it out, hey, work it out, work. Since you better work. Swear I should have been a T. I'm supposed to. Okay, I have a gender identity crisis. Okay, I'm really a girl that was supposed to be born a male that was supposed to be born a woman. I think really seriously, I've always wanted to be gay, a gay guy, and I've always wanted to be a drag queen. It doesn't help that I'm already a woman. But anyways, that's my song. It's gonna be called Fish You Better Work. I love it. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you guys my new hair. I call it Silver Glam because it's silver, baby. I think I could do platinum better than most white chicks, but I did silver. 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 I like it. It's for my birthday. Let me know if you think it's hot. Oh, and I put some burgundies, if you can see, little things so that if I put it up, you get that peekaboo, right? So guess what? Fish, you better work.